These are the instructions for the leaves and winterberries ornament. This is a cute little farmhouse style ornament. It's cute and simple, easy to do. Okay, so for this we're going to need our felt and our pattern. This is going to be a sage green. I also have found like olive. We're going to need twine and a button and some winter berries. And start off by cutting out 3 leaves out of the felt using the pattern. And as you can see, I did not use the pins to hold the pattern down, but you might want to do that just so that it doesn't slide around on you. The only tools that we need for this project, as you see, are the scissors and our glue gun. There we go. 3 leaves all cut out. Next, we're going to need our twine and our button. This will make a hanger and hold everything together. We're going to start off by threading the twine through the front part of the button. Okay, we pull that through. Then we're going to add a little bit of glue to the back. Pull the twine tight. Now, we're going to take each leaf, put a little bit of glue at the end in the middle, and then we're going to pinch it shut to give it a little bit definition. I'm going to do that in each leaf. Next, we're going to take each leaf and glue it to the flat side of the button. This is the same side that the twine came through and got glued onto. Put one in the middle and a leaf on each side. There we go. You can just fiddle with them a little bit to get them to be in the right spot where you'd like them. Next, we're going to take our winterberries, and these will cut easily with scissors. Just cut them off. Leave a little bit of a stem on in case you need it to kind of glue it down in there. I used 3. You could use all 4 if you like. Just going to bend the stems a little bit and then decide where you want them and glue them on. There you have it. Now you just need to tie a knot at the end of your twine and you're good to go. A cute and simple farmhouse style ornament, leaves and winter berries.